Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern from Modern Salon TV. I am here with Christy Valenzuela of Crystal Focus, and you have the coolest program. It's to help salons really better their front staff, the front desk, so that it's a better experience for the clients coming and going. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Well, sure. You know, we believe that every guest that walks into a salon should feel as though they're on the lazy river of customer service. There should never be any whitewater rapids in the meantime. And our front desk is a big part of that, that the first impression, they're the last impression, and often they're the lasting impression. The problem with that is sometimes they're the least trained. So instead of going out and finding like qualified customer service sales professionals, we're hiring maybe the babysitter to come in, which, you know what, sometimes with budgets, that's all we have. However, what we do is we actually help them through our DVDs and our workshops and things like that, to develop the professional language they need to answer the phones, do a great greeting when the guest walks in, do a salon tour, open the sale, close the sale, and so forth. So
what would be like your one tip if a salon owner came to you and say, what is the one concrete tip that I can take from you right now to implement? What would you say?
You know what? What I would say to every salon owner is make every single person on your team a front desk expert. So everyone will have a chance to answer the phones regardless, right? So whether you're answering the phones and you're only there 4 minutes for the entire week, or 4 hours, or 40 hours, we all need to have a common language at the front desk with our systems and scripts and sales.
Yeah, you know, we were talking about this because I used to, before I was working with Modern, I used to go to a salon and they would regularly just say to me, is this your first time in the salon? And finally, it was so insulting because I've been going there for years. Rather than welcome back, it was, oh, your first time here, can I give you a tour? It was just, and I never went again. After the last time I said, that is it, I just cannot come here anymore. So I know how important it is.
Yes.
And I just found out from you that you are selling your materials on Shop Modern. So tell us how we can get it.
Absolutely. One of our top selling products that have been sold in 12 different countries is a product called The Anatomy of a Great Front Desk. It's 5 different DVDs, and it trains on all of those different things that we need our front desk to know. We also have one called Rockstar, Secrets to Salon Success. That's for the service providers. And then we have a tracking system. So all you have to do is go to Shop Modern and look for these products, and you know what? They'll serve your salon, and you'll make more money, and you'll have way better customer service, and we'll keep wonderful clients like you.
Oh, well, that's so cool. And Shop Modern is going to be a very exciting thing because it is all materials just for you, the salon owner, the salon professional, the nail professional. I mean, it's going to be a really cool thing. I'm so excited that you're part of that.
Thank
I just
you.
found that out. That
Thanks.
was so cool.
I'm excited too.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, cool. And have fun. We're here at the Redken Artist Connection, so have fun for the next couple of days. I'm having a blast.
Me too.
Okay,
We will.
we'll see you.
Thanks.
All right, thanks. Bye.